Hi, welcome back. So for today's episode, I'm going to show you French clit. I cut this using table saw at 45-degree angle. Okay. Planning to hang my picture frame using this technique. I'll be back and show it to you later. So this is the picture I'm talking about, guys. So this one will be attached here at the back of the picture frame. The edge here down and then this one will be attached at the wall, just like that. So imagine hooking it here like that. Okay, we'll attach this first. So we will attach this at the back of this picture, but first making sure it is level. I'll explain to you it later. Attach the end first, the other this other side. Okay, what the fork, then too cluttered. Okay. Yo. Okay, that's good. Let's lock it in. Oh. And all right. Now the other half will be attached at the wall. Okay, just like that. If you got the idea, it's like a floating picture frame now. And I forgot to tell you guys, I put something at the bottom part of the picture. Oh. Sorry. One more. Yep. Always check your nails. Yeah. Yo, let's do this. First thing we'll do is need to make some measurements. Oh my god, how am I going to... Okay. Then we have an issue about the ball. The ball is not perfectly flat. So that's it. Okay, first this, we install this first. Now the moment of truth. Okay, we'll try to touch it now. Is it good, guys? I think it's good. Oh man, looks like. Gotta check it out. At least it's leveled. Guess the wall. The wall is the problem. Now we're gonna attach them all. Gotta catch them all. Pokemon. It's you and me. I know it's my destiny. Oh, you're my best friend. Pokemon. Catch them all. Dinosaur. Rare. It's Godzilla. Tyrannosaur.